iQoo Neo 10, Neo 10 Pro tipped to feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 6000 mAh plus battery. iQoo is reportedly set to launch its upcoming Neo 10 series of smartphones in China during the fourth quarter of 2024, as a recent report from a Weibo tipster has revealed some details about the upcoming series. Previously, the Chinese tech giant launched the iQoo 12 series and the iQoo Neo 9 series in November and December respectively, and it seems that the company may adopt similar plans this year. Weibo tipster Digital Chat Station disclosed that in the upcoming iQoo Neo series, the Neo 10 model is likely to adopt the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Pro version might be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipsets. The tipster also mentioned that the iQoo Neo 10 models will also offer a metal middle frame, an upgrade as compared to the Neo 9 series, which featured a plastic frame instead. DCS also revealed that the two new upcoming Neo 10 models might feature silicone batteries supporting fast charging, likely to be over 100 watts and a 6000 mAh plus battery capacity. Additionally, the series will also offer a 1.5K resolution flat display with ultra-narrow bezels for eye protection and an overall improved display quality. It appears that the iQoo 13 might debut after the launch of the iQoo Neo 10 series later this year.